So welcome everyone, and today we're going to go over Barre Chords Part 2. This is going to be, again, a quick reference for you for just there's about 5 bar chords you can play very easily just from this one bar position, just by moving a few fingers. And I just wanted to go over that with you on the 5th string now. So in Part 1, we've gone over all of the positions on the 6th string, root note on the 6th string. Now we're going to do root note on the 5th string. Now to go through them all briefly for you, so we have the major, then the dominant 7, then the minor, then the minor 7, and lastly the suspended 4th. All right, and that's all of them. So again, it's just 5 chords you can easily switch to on both the barring the 6th string and barring with root on 5th string. And 5 chords you can easily switch to from there. Again, remember, you can always use a capo. You don't have to bar chords, but sometimes it's necessary. Sometimes it's helpful, okay? Then even when you're using a capo, sometimes you can't hit every chord, obviously, if you're not barring some chords. Right? So I hope this lesson's been helpful for you. Remember, if you'd like the PDF of the bar chord positions, feel free to grab it down in the description. And otherwise, I'll see you next time. Take care.